Hi, welcome to our channel. First of all, thanks for watching our videos. Today I am going to start a tutorial about Camtasia. Camtasia is a video editing software. Let's start. You can see here this one called timeline. In Camtasia, videos are created on timeline, moving sequentially from left to right. Timeline displays the sequence of all media in a video. We can use timeline to assemble a video. Here you can arrange and edit your screen, audio clips and titles, anything. Timeline organized into layer. It called tracks. You can see here track 1, track 2, track 3. Now we can study about canvas. You can see here screen. It's called canvas. Canvas is the preview session of the Camtasia. There you can preview your work. Whatever you edit on timeline, that one displayed on the canvas. Canvas also working area. You can position, resize and rotate the content. Here you can see zoom slider available. You can zoom in, the same time you can zoom out also. There is one more option, magnifier. If you press magnifier, you will get all the project in the timeline. This is a good option. Sometimes we want to remove or unwanted selection of recording. You can see this one called playheads. Drag one handle of the playhead and make a selection. Now you need to cut these parts. Move your cursor into your left hand side, then you can see cut option. Click on it. Now that selection part removed. At the same time, if you want delete some part of your recordings, go to playheads, drag one handle, then make selection. Now you can press delete. If you want make split videos, move the playhead and select the clip. I want to split from this side into two parts. Then you can see here split option. Click on it, or else you can press S on Windows. Now you can see this one split. This video splitted already. Now we can go to menu. There is, you can check, there is file. There is, if you want to start a new project, you can see there. Just click on it. If you want to open any recent work, you can open from here. There is recent project also. You can save. You can save as. If you want to import something, you can import from here. Export option also available. Okay. Then we go to edit. Now you can see there is shortcuts: undo, Ctrl Z, cut, Ctrl X, copy, Ctrl C. You can modify also. You can extend frame. You can add animation, add behavior, add effect. You can remove caption, markers, guesses, smart focus. View showing, hide tools, show marker tag. You can enable canvas snapping also here. If you want to share something, you can share from here. Now first lesson finished. I will continue with this tutorial part by part. Keep on watching my videos. Thanks for everyone.